Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your Twitter password without a phone number. And yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. Now without any further ado, let's start the video. First thing first, you need to log into your Twitter account. So to change your Twitter password without a phone number, you need to log into your Twitter account. After you log into a Twitter account, basically click on this three arrow over here and scroll down until you see setting and privacy. After you see setting and privacy, click on it. Once you click on it, you can click on account. Once you're in your account, you can click on where it says password over here. First, you need to enter your current password, so the password which you have right now. And over here, you need to enter your new password. And after you enter the new password, you enter the new password again to confirm it. And after that, you click on update password, and your password will be updated. Now remember, the only time you need, your phone number or your email to change your password is basically when you forget your password. So when you forget your current password, like Twitter needs something to verify if it is you or not, that's when they use their phone number. So to change your password without your phone number or your email, you basically need to remember your current password. And after that, you can change it. So that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day.